Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual, I'll get to it. So another scene from this city. I was a little bit more vague with this one because I wanted to get the perspective right. So I don't know whether you can tell that's one of the main streets in this city. You might not be able to tell because it's a little bit more vague. There's not as much detail as the previous one, but utilise the usual gestural with geometric with good speed, creating the feedback loop. If you want to know more, let me know. And this is a 2-point perspective again. I'm enjoying doing these topics. I didn't to begin with, I'm not going to lie, really didn't begin with. Just like the portraits, I didn't really enjoy doing that because they were too cartoonish. However, I'm starting to really enjoy these city scenes, country scenes, that type of thing, a lot more, and it's a lot quicker. And I think that's because of the skills I managed to gain when I was doing the portraits. So let me know what you think, and also comment where you think this is, like the previous two videos. Thanks guys!